Dear students, myself Dr. Lata Kumari GN, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Dear students, in second semester you have paper Mathematics 2. Paper Mathematics 2 has 3 units. One is Algebra 2, second one is Calculus 2 and third one is Analysis 1. For you, I am going to handle the third unit, Analysis 1. In Analysis 1, you are going to study sequences. Let us start with the definition of sequence. Dear students, you are all familiar with functions. Sequences are special class of functions whose domain is set of natural numbers and range is any set S. You all know what is domain, what is range. So sequences are special class of functions whose domain is set N and range is any set S. Let us see sequence of real numbers. A real sequence or sequence of real numbers is a function whose domain is natural number set N and range is R, that is set of real numbers. That is, in simple, we write the real sequence as F from N to R. Real sequence or sequence of real numbers is a function F from N to R. Here you can see domain is natural number set N and range is real number set. That is subset of R it may be. This is called real sequence. Let us see constant sequence. F from N to R defined by f of n is equal to k for all n belongs to n is a constant sequence. The range looks like this, that is k, etc. etc. This is a constant sequence. Here you can see some examples. First one is, here the mapping is f from n to r, which is given by f of n is equal to 1 by n. The set 1 by n is nothing but 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, etc. etc. You can see many more examples. Here the mapping is given by f of n is equal to 3n, and the set 3n is nothing but 3, 6, 9, etc. etc. You know this n belongs to n since here our domain set is capital N, that is natural number set. This n belongs to capital N. So this set gives 3, 6, 9, etc. etc. Similarly, this set 2 power n is 2, 4, 8, etc. etc. This is another example for a sequence. Next example is cos n pi. When n is equal to 1, cos pi is minus 1. N is equal to 2, cos 2 pi is 1. When n is equal to 3, cos 3 pi is again minus 1. And this set is minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, etc. etc. This is another example for a sequence. You can write many more infinite number of sequences. A notation. See, if you represent the elements of a sequence by alphabets, that is A1, A2, A3, etc. etc. then An will be our nth term of the sequence. And the sequence in general looks like An is equal to A1, A2, A3, etc. etc. An, etc. etc. This is just a notation, general representation. This is A1 is first term, A2 is second term. Similarly, An is nth term. See, this is also an example of a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, etc. etc. 4, etc. etc. This is also an example of a sequence. Here we write it as A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 2, A3 is equal to 3 and An is equal to 4 for all n greater than or equal to 4. Next, bounded sequence. Bounded above sequence. First let us see bounded above sequence. Here you see bounded above sequence as well as bounded below sequence. First let us see bounded above sequence. A sequence an is said to be bounded above if there exists a real number capital M such that an is less than or equal to m for all n belongs to n. And here m is called upper bound. This is definition of bounded above sequence. To see an example, this is an example for bounded above sequence. 1 by n, the set 1 by n. Elements are 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. etc. Clearly in this example, you can see that an is less than or equal to 1 for all the values of n. See, 1 is equal to 1 and all the elements except 1 are less than 1. This is a mathematical inequality which we are required for the definition of bounded above sequence. Hence this is bounded above sequence, and clearly 1 is upper bound. Bounded below sequence. A sequence an is said to be bounded below if there exists a real number small m such that an is greater than or equal to m for all n belongs to n, and here small m is called lower bound. This is the mathematical inequality which is required for the definition of bounded below sequence. Here in bounded below sequence, an is greater than or equal to m for all the values of n belongs to n, and in bounded above sequence, an is less than or equal to m for all n belongs to n. Let us see an example for bounded below sequence. Set of natural numbers. This is nothing but set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. etc. And in this set, you can see all the elements are greater than or equal to 1. All the elements, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 1. All the elements of the set are greater than or equal to 1. That is, an is greater than or equal to 1 for all n belongs to n. Hence, the set of natural numbers, that is set n, is bounded below. And clearly, for this sequence, for this set, 1 is lower bound. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next video. Thank you, dear students.